Alright, so the last thing we looked at was function operations. Now we're going to look at composition of functions. So the composition of functions f and g is notated f and then an open circle g, so it kind of looks like fog, of x, and that equals f of g of x. So with composition we work from the inside to the outside. So since this is inside, we go this way first, then to f. The domain of f of g of x is all values of x in the domain of g, such that g of x is in the domain of f. I know that does not make any sense, but the main thing we focus on is this top part. So composition and how we notate it. So we're going to solve for each of these. They give us our functions, so we have f ends here, g ends there, and then we've got h. So for this first one, we got f of g of 3. So first I want to work on the inside and find g of 3. G of 3, we've got 3 squared minus 9 times 3 plus 20. 3 squared is 9 minus 9 times 3 is 27 plus 20. Negative 27 plus 20, negative 7, so 9 minus 7, and we get 2. So g of 3 is 2. Now I'm plugging in for g of 3, 2. So f of 2 is 2 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 5. So we're plugging this value back in to f now. So f of 2, we get 2 times 4 plus 6 minus 5. 2 times 4, we get 8 plus 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So then my final answer is what I get the second time. So we're not going to go back like we did with function operations and work the problem again, because we're going from g of 3, plugging that into what we get for f, and then that's our answer. So when we plug in g of 3 into f, we get 9. Now let's try it with h of f of negative 4. So we work from the outside in. So f of negative 4 we do first. So negative 4 plugged in wherever we see x. So 2 times negative 4 squared plus 3 times negative 4 minus 5. 2 times negative 4 squared. Negative 4 squared is a positive 16. So 2 times 16 plus 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 minus 5. 2 times 16 is 32 minus 12 minus 5. 32 minus 12 is 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. So this is this value here. F of negative 4 is 15. I still have to find h of whenever I plug that in. So h of 15 now. We get 15 minus 7, which is 8. So f of negative 4 plugged into h gives me 8. Now let's try number 3. We got g of f of 3. So we're going to do f of 3 first. 2 times 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 5. 3 squared is 9, so 2 times 9 plus 9 minus 5. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 minus 5. 27 minus 5, which is 22. Oops. So this is f of 3. So this 22 goes here. So now we're going g of 22. So for g of 22, we've got 22 squared minus 9 times 22 plus 20. So we've got big numbers here. 22 squared is 484 minus 9 times 22, 198 plus 20. 44 minus 198 is 286 plus 20. We get 306. So g of f of 3 equals 306. And then we have g of h of negative 4. First thing we're going to do is find h of negative 4. So negative 4 minus 7, which is negative 11. We're going to plug that into g. G of negative 11 is negative 11 squared minus 9 times negative 11 plus 20. Negative 11 squared is a positive 121. Negative 9 times negative 11 is a positive 99. So we've got 121 plus 99, 220 plus 20, which is 240. So then my final answer is that g of h of negative 4 is equal to 240. So then for your homework for composition, we're going to do the left side again. So for today, you're only doing the left side of each. You're doing the left side of operations and the left side of composition. Make sure your name is on it or you won't get any credit at all. So we've got left side of composition, left side of operations.